How to make your Discord server a community server. Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily convert your normal server into a community server on Discord. So let's just jump right in. First thing I'm going to do is open up my web browser and head over to discord.com/app. If you have the application, you can continue with the app as well. And if you're on mobile phone, the process is the same. Now just make sure to go ahead and click on the server that you're owner of. So this is my server. I'm going to go ahead and click on my server's settings and head over to server settings. Once you land on the server settings page here, you can easily customize your server. Now, the main step is to convert it into a community server. So scroll down all the way, and here you'll find something called Enable Community. Click on it. Now, you can convert your server into a community server to access additional administrative tools that will help you moderate and grow your server. Click on Get Started. Now you can choose your verification level. At least the user's email should be verified. And you could also scan media content from all members. It will automatically scan and delete media sent in the server that contain explicit contents. So just click on Next. Now from here, these are the basic setup. So you can turn on the rules or guidelines channel. You can create this if you don't have one. And you can create one if you don't have one. This is the community's update channel. Keep tapping next. And finally, once this is done, click on agree and understand and finish setup. Now here your server has been turned into a community settings. So if I just go back, as you can see, there are a whole lot more channels and my server has been turned into a community server. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.